Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin while hair is damp and not dripping. That moisture level helps products spread and activate wave. Section hair into 4 so every strand gets product. Take a pea to nickel-sized amount of curl cream and warm it in your hands. Apply from mid-lengths to ends to avoid weighing roots. Once done, rake cream through with fingers and gently scrunch upward to encourage clumping. Make sure to leave some cream on strands that need definition before moving to gel. Once cream is in place, you layer a thin gel to lock shape and reduce frizz. Cream provides moisture and gel provides hold. Dispense a dime to nickel-sized amount, emulsify in palms, and gently scrunch into mid-lengths and ends. Avoid combing to prevent break in the wave pattern. Make sure to concentrate gel on areas that separate or frizz more. If you need more hold, add another small dot rather than a heavy smear. This keeps movement without stiffness. You can air dry or diffuse on low heat until hair is about 80% dry to set shape faster without disrupting pattern. Once completely dry, gently scrunch to break the gel cast and reveal soft, defined waves. This step releases movement. If you see flakes or crunchy spots, apply a tiny drop of oil and re-scrunch to blend. Troubleshooting tip: if hair becomes limp, you likely use too much cream. Refresh with a light mist of water and reapply a.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.